Welcome students. So next one is types of decay. So I'm already told that. So what is meant by radioactivity? So radioactivity is nothing but it is the spontaneous disintegration of nuclei of heavy elements by the emission of radiations. These emitted radiations are maybe alpha radiations, beta or gamma radiations. So based on the emitted radiations, the decays are classified into three types, that is alpha decay, beta decay and gamma decay. So what is meant by alpha decay? So the process of emission of alpha particle from the radioactive nucleus. In the nucleus of heavy element, during the decay, if alpha particle is emitted from that nucleus, so then the type of decay is called as alpha. The example for alpha particle is helium. So the emitted particle from the alpha decay is helium He24. This is the emitted alpha particle. So the general reaction for alpha decay, so that like this is the parent nuclei having a mass number A, atomic number is Z. After alpha decay, so in the daughter nuclei, the mass number is reduced by 4 and atomic number is reduced by 2, and the emission of alpha particle, that is helium, is emitted during the alpha decay, also with the lot of heat energy during alpha decay. So heat energy is emitted. So this is the general reaction of. Now we are taking an example for alpha decay. Suppose the parent nuclei, heavy nuclei is uranium 238 92. So mass number is 238, atomic number is 92. So after alpha decay, so the uranium is converted into thorium with mass number 234 and atomic number 90. So with the emission of helium, so alpha particle He24 and lot of heat energy. So this is the example for alpha decay. So this is the general reaction of alpha decay. So what are the characteristics of alpha decay? So first one, during alpha decay, the mass number is decreased by 4. Observe here. So mass number is decreased by 4. Here 238 is reduced by 234. Therefore mass number is reduced by 4. And second characteristics of alpha decay, the atomic number is decreased by 2. So atomic number nothing but protons number is decreased by 2. Also the neutrons number nothing but A minus Z is also decreased by 2. So neutrons number is decreased by 2. So these are the characteristics of alpha decay. So next, second one is beta decay. So what is mean by beta decay? So the process of emission of beta particle from a radioactive nucleus called as beta decay. In beta decay there are two types, that is negative beta decay and positive beta decay, or beta minus decay or beta plus decay. So nothing but there are two types of beta particles emitted during the beta decay. So the first one is negative beta decay. So what is mean by negative beta decay? The process of emission of negative beta particle, that means electron is emitted during the beta decay. So that type of decay called as beta minus decay. During the beta decay, so that is electron is ejected. That type of decay called as negative decay, beta negative decay. And another one is beta plus decay. So the process of emission of positive beta particle, so nothing but positron positron is emitted from the beta decay. So that type of beta decay called as beta plus decay. So nothing but in a negative beta decay, so electrons is the emitted particle. In positive decay, positron is the emitted particle. Based on these two types of beta particle, beta decay are classified into beta minus decay and beta plus decay. So what is the characteristics of, what is the general reaction of negative beta decay? So this is the general reaction. So here a parent nuclei having mass number A and atomic number Z. So during negative beta decay, so the mass number remains same, but atomic number is increased by 1. This is the main characteristics of negative beta decay. So atomic number is increased by 1 with the emission of particle, beta minus particle, that is electron. Electrons is ejected with the emission of elementary particle called as antineutrino. So very important. So antineutrino is emitted elementary particle during negative beta decay. In the examinations, the question like this: name the elementary particle is emitted during negative beta decay. So that elementary particle is antineutrino. So generally the beta particle is emitted during the negative beta decay is electron. Next, what is the example for negative beta decay? So example like this: there is a neutron. This neutron is converted into proton. So this is the proton with the emission of electron along with a antineutrino, that is, this is the antineutrino. So this is the example for negative beta decay. Here mass number remains same, but atomic number is increased by 1. So this is the characteristics of negative decay. So next one, beta plus decay. So this is beta plus decay. This is the general reaction. In this reaction, so beta plus particle, that is positron, is emitted. So along with another elementary particle is emitted called as neutrino. So this is neutrino. In the examination, the question may be like this: so name the elementary particle which is emitted during beta plus decay. That elementary particle is neutrino. Neutrino is the elementary particles emitted during the beta plus decay. So name the particle which is emitted during beta plus decay, nothing but that is positron. This is the particle, so this is the elementary particle. So now what is the example for beta plus decay? So here the example like this: a proton, this is the proton, is converted into neutron. So with the ejection of a positron and elementary particle like neutrino. So the characteristics of beta plus decay is: here mass number is same, but atomic number is decreased by 1. Here observe, so this is the atomic number is 1, but here atomic number is 0, that is decreased by 1. So mass number is same, but atomic number is decreased by 1. So with the emission of particle like positron along with another elementary particle is ejected, that elementary particle is neutrino. So next, third type is gamma decay. So what is meant by gamma decay? The process of emission of gamma rays or gamma particle from the radioactive nucleus called as gamma decay. So this is the general reaction of gamma decay. So this is the nucleus, this is in the excited state. So this is the nucleus are in excited state. After the emission of gamma particle, so this nucleus comes into the ground state. So with the emission of gamma rays or gamma particle. So in gamma decay, the mass number remains same and atomic number remains same, but in gamma decay, so the nucleus comes from excited state to the ground state with the releasing of gamma rays along with large amount of energy. So the example for gamma decay is nickel. Nickel atomic number is 28 and mass number is 60. So this is in excited state. It comes to the ground state with the emission of gamma rays. So that is gamma decay. So that is nickel 28 and 60 with the emission of gamma rays along with the energy. So around 1.33 mega electron volt.